Is it possible to understand estate planning in less than 5 minutes? Hello, I'm attorney Richard Winblad, an estate planning attorney here in Edmond, Oklahoma. This video will explain 5 concepts that go into every estate plan, and I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes. Many people put off making an estate plan because they don't know what they need or they believe it's too difficult. That's why I offer a free estate planning needs evaluation. When it comes down to it, the only questions you really need to answer is who do you love, what do you have, and who do you trust? Your plan will revolve around you and the situations that affect your life and loved ones. Many people tend to think only about death, but estate planning is more than that. You want to make sure that the people you trust can manage your affairs if you become unable to do so. You should also provide a plan for your care if you become unable to communicate. Your family is likely your most important concern. You certainly want to provide for them after you're gone, but it is just as important to empower them to act for you if you become incapacitated. What happens to your property is another concern. You want to decide who receives your property and, perhaps more importantly, decide when they receive it. It is also vital to have a plan in place in the event that a stroke, accident, or illness leaves you incapacitated. You will want to have a trusted person manage your finances. People often overlook the need to have plans for their care. You should choose a person to make health care and housing decisions if you become unable to do so. A living will instructs doctors about the end-of-life care you want or don't want to have. These instructions can prevent family conflicts over your wishes. Your concerns may include estate tax planning, business continuation, and maximizing value of your estate. You might also want to delay distributions until heirs are financially mature, provide for special needs dependents, or have someone manage assets for irresponsible heirs. You can specify your wishes regarding funeral, cremation, or burial arrangements. Creating a plan is the best way to ensure that you, and not a court, controls your life and assets. You can avoid the need for placing your property in probate court, which is public, expensive, and slow. If you become incapacitated, a power of attorney can avoid the need for a guardianship case. Your living will eliminates the need for a court to try to determine your end-of-life medical decisions. Your estate plan is built after these needs are understood. This may involve creating a will, a family trust, making beneficiary designations, creating powers of attorney, making a living will, and creating final disposition instructions. Your estate plan will bring together the 5 important elements, which are your family, your property, your care, your concerns, and your control. The estate planning needs evaluation takes place around a family dining room table in a pre-statehood home, which is now my office. The purpose of this visit is to ensure that we are comfortable with working with each other. You will also know what to expect in the way of costs before we go forward. For more information, please feel free to call to schedule an evaluation. My number is 405-340-6554. You can also visit me on the web at www.winbladlaw.com. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a recommendation to take or refrain from taking any course of action. This information cannot be used as tax advice or relied upon to avoid tax-related penalties. And viewing of this video also does not create an attorney-client relationship.